raise flowers at any time, thrown away with the soil. Come today to teach you a little money-saving clue, and that wasteland will last forever. This pot of flowers in the sun. Never mind, it's already like this. Move it to the ground and save it again. See if you can save it. The flower plucked up the remaining soil. Find a clear plastic bag and put it in it. I still have some in this bag before. Put it together. Then add water to the soil and stir. It's a little bit more watery than compost. Add a small amount and multiple times. If the soil we use is not sterilized, there may be some bacteria left in it, eggs and grass seeds, etc. What if you use it directly? Increases the risk of pests and diseases on newly planted plants. Now let's use the heat of sunlight to sterilize the soil. Moisture to this extent. Hold it in your hand like this. It is enough that you can see water in your fingers. Then tie the seal of the bag tightly. Put it in the sun and spread it out for about a month. Calculated at 35 degrees per day, the temperature reached 900 degrees. The germs, eggs, grass, seeds inside are all killed. At this time, you can read organic fertilizer and use it. Isn't that simple? This can save a lot of money on buying nutritious soil. 做桶鱼肠水肥, make bucket fish intestines and fertilizer. This is the material, about 5 kilograms of fish intestines, and a pack of pineapple beer. This is molasses, a bottle of 2.5 kilograms. Half a bottle is not enough. The bottle at the back is for replenishment, and then this is M. Make this fat. Sugar and bacteria must not be less. I'd rather put more. There are also 2 bottles of rice washing water collected. Not enough rice, washing, water. Add sun-dried tap water. This orange, it was cut from a neighbor's landscape tree for me. Take it off, put it in a bucket, add water, and crush it. Put all the materials in this bucket. I won't break the pineapple peel. Be lazy and pour it directly in. Orange peel and pineapple peel with fish. Intestines ferment together. Water and fertilizer. You can achieve the effect of deodorization to a certain extent, because they all contain some acidic substances. These substances can neutralize the fishy smell of fish intestines. Pineapple skin contains bromelain, helps accelerate the decomposition process of fish intestines. Make it easier to release the nutrients in it. After fermentation, there will be some fishy smell, but not stinky. If you are a balcony party, it is not recommended to make this fish sausage fertilizer. If the fermentation is not good, neighbors will complain. Add molasses to replenish carbon. Increase the carbon-nitrogen ratio. Fermentation is a process that consumes carbon and nitrogen. Fish intestines are high nitrogen content materials. Don't add enough carbohydrates. Excess nitrogen is released as ammonia. That's what we call a stink. So be sure to quantity more than less. Plus submerged water fertilizer bacteria. It is also an important material for fermentation without odor. The molasses are both essential parts. Adding them not only accelerates fermentation, it also makes the fertilizer more fertile. Finally, add water. The mycelium fermented with rice washing water will be richer. It's more fertile. This bucket is raw. It can hold 50 kilograms of water. Fish intestines are a highly effective organic fertilizer. It's nutrient-rich. Fertilizer effect is long-lasting and balanced. Fish sausage fertilizer is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, amino acids, and protein. Organic organisms contain a variety of trace elements. It can provide comprehensive nutrition for plants. Promotes plant growth and development. Suitable for a variety of plants, especially flowering plants. It can meet the nutritional requirements during growth. The so-called crop is a flower. It's all about fat, whether it's growing flowers, vegetables, or fruits. Fertilizer is essential. Do it yourself, although it's a bit troublesome, but it's affordable and durable. The key is health and environmental protection, especially vegetables and fruits. Stir well. Let the ingredients mix well. Seal and put it in the shade. Ventilated places are conducive to odor emission. Open the lid often and stir it in the early stage. Fish intestines must be fully fermented to avoid burning roots. See you in the fall.